Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down and find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the time and time zone set automatically. So first of all, let's tap on those switchers to turn off the automatic option. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Tap on the specific day and tap on OK. Then the time, just tap on it, and here we've got the clock from which we can choose the time and confirm it by tapping on OK. Here at the time zone, just tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and we've got the full list of available regions, so find yours and tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Right here we've got also the time format, so we can change it. We can either use local default, which is more or less automatic, or we can use 24-hour format or 12-hour one just by turning off this option, so it's completely up to you. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers right here to use automatic time and the time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.